I'm Meenal पाठक. Welcome to fittak और आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं glute workout. Yes, you heard it right. We are sitting on the chairs at home or in office for good 8 to 10 hours every day with no movement at all. So this will help you to keep gaining that strength in your legs, in your glutes, and also keep them flexible, supple, and make sure that it will not turn out into a spine pain. Yes, lot of times we have seen that the stiffness in spine is not exactly a pain in your L4 or a L5. It is a stiffness in your hip joints. When you are sitting on chairs for long period of time, all the basic joints in your sitting posture start becoming fixated, they start becoming very stiff, and that's how you start feeling that pain in your entire spine. So let's get started with our first movement, which is a simple bridge. Yes, a simple glute bridge. You're gonna tuck your core in and rise. As you lift up, make sure you are engaging your glutes, your quads and your hamstrings, and not putting pressure on your spine and not flaring up your core. So make sure this is an engaging movement, and then slowly you will get back on the mat. When you get down, make sure there is no space between the spine and the mat. Your each and every vertebra is aligned with the mat. So let's get started. A nice deep inhale, lift up and then let it go. Then 2 and down, 3 and down, 4 and down, 5 and down. You can add 10 to 15 reps and 3 sets of these glute bridges. They will not only help with your glutes, they will also help to strengthen your core muscles. In the second movement, we will add hip switches. We also call it 90-degree switches or basic plane switches. You have to keep in mind that you will move only to a level which feels comfortable to you to begin with. Slowly and steadily, as you gain more comfort with the movement, you can increase your pace. So let's get started. For the hip switches, we'll come down to the mat. Open your feet wide apart in a V, and then switch it to the side. When you bend over, make sure right from your knee, you get a proper alignment right till your armpits. To the other side, again, move it both the side full, maybe with a support to begin with, and then slowly without a support. So keep moving side and side. Lengthen your spine and stretch it out complete. 3 and 3. 4 and 4, 5 and 5. Once you feel comfortable with this, instead of bending back, you can just bend forward, rise up straight and lengthen your spine out to the side. Same to the side, tuck your core in, bend forward, slide and feel the stretch in your both the glutes as you bend forward, and then switch to the other side. And then bend forward. You can keep your hands to the side for the movement, but make sure when you're rolling over, you feel the stretch entirely in your glutes and also in your quads. This is a great movement, very effective and very simple too. And stretch it out. For the donkey kicks, you'll keep both the hands right under your shoulders. Tuck your core in. Make sure your knees are aligned with your glutes, and then very slowly, one after the another, you will start lifting your legs up. If you have any sensitivity around your knees, you will keep a soft cushion under your one knee, which will stay down on the mat. So tuck your core in, lengthen through the spine and lift up and down. So go 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So this is a full movement in a donkey kick. We also add donkey pulses here, in which instead of going all the way down and lifting it up, you'll hold it at 90 degree and just push it up and up and up. So here you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are basic donkey kicks and pulses which will help you to not only gain strength in your glutes but also your core. Next movement is also on the force and we call it fire hydrant. In this, again, you will go down on the force, your hands right under your shoulders, your core tucked in, your knees aligned with your hips. Now, instead of lifting it up, we're gonna lift it sideways. Again, keep a soft cushion under your knees if you have any knee sensitivity. Tucking the core in, you're gonna lifting it out and in. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So this is a full movement. We can again add pulses here, which goes up, 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 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And these movements, which seem very simple, are actually very effective and very difficult to do. You will add 3 sets of all these movements, at least 15 reps each, and you can feel the burn not only in your glutes but also in your core. Let's add the squats, but sitting squats, rather kneeling squats here. This movement has to be avoided by all the people who feel slight pain around their knees. For this, you will tuck your core in, engage your glutes and then slowly go low. You will only go low and you will not leave your muscles here and sit back. This is a very important pointer because people tend to sit back here and then rise up. In that case, all the tension which we are trying to build here on your quads or rather on your glutes gets released when you completely sit down. So the idea is to go low and keep coming back up. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3. So you will go low and then you're going to squeeze it up when you come back. Make sure you are tucking your navel to the spine and squeezing your glutes all the way up when you lift. So go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All these movements are very effective, and if you start adding 3 to 4 sets daily with 15 to 20 reps, you can start looking at the difference in your strength, in your flexibility, and not just that, your posture. Yes, you will start sitting straight, you will start gaining height as you walk tall. So make sure you add all these workouts every day. Do write in to us with any queries. We'll be more than happy to answer all of them. Keep watching Fittak and keep rocking.